All right, we're gonna do a walk around. Now this does have a Carfax report on it. I'll talk about it further in the video. Front bumper has been painted. The full quarter panel here has been painted all the way up that rail. Back bumper and deck lid. And you're gonna have some damage on the side skirt, this side mirror still. But walking around the car, I don't think you're really gonna notice the paint work. You gotta get up super close to really inspect it, and most people don't see that kind of stuff. So like you said, you can see the pearl looks good, color matching looks nice. Up close and personal, if you really inspect it, you're gonna see those flaws. Walking around, I don't think anybody else would notice. A couple dents. Like I said, this whole side's been painted, but out here in the sun, you know, it looks good. Have your swirls from everyday washing. I think a really good paint correction will do wonders on this car. It had a car cover on it and it looked like it rubbed the paint in a lot of the areas. Overall wheels look good. Tires are from 2022 still. Non-smoker, ultra low miles. Look at the roof, you got the full carbon. That looks incredible. You still have the plastic here. Got the red seats. Looks good. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So if you haven't already checked, this does have a Carfax report on it. It was in a collision in 2023, I believe. It was a front end, as well as the back right quarter and back bumper, and the airbags did deploy. So the airbags went off. So this front bumper's been painted. The entire quarter section here has been painted all the way up that pillar down to there. Back bumper's been painted. The deck lid has been painted. So all of that has been fully painted. You're gonna see some really large dimples. You see that? I wouldn't say they did the best job. And then when you look in here, you have a ton of overspray, and it's all on the plastic as well. Like I said, you're gonna see dimples kind of all throughout, which is unfortunate for a beautiful car like this. Kind of see them all there, and then you're gonna have a hard paint line on that inner jamb. And then when you look inside here, you're gonna see it as well. Full disclosure, I don't wanna beat on the car, but you got big dimples here, got a hard tape line all the way in there. You can feel all the texture. As far as color goes, I think they did a good job. You know, there's a loss of clarity, and there's a little bit of a hue in the flake that's different. But for the most part, I think it's good. I don't think the average person is gonna notice that. But of course, here in this lighting, you're just gonna see it. You can see these really large dimples and stuff like that. Same with the front bumper, same with the back. But walking around it, overall clarity looks good. The color match is pretty good. I don't think most people are gonna notice it. Now looking here on the front bumper, you can see it has an alignment issue. You can see these are popped out. And then underneath it, this plastic right here is all busted up still. Let's check out the other parts on the car. Let's look at the front right wheel. You're gonna see some gashes right here. You can see that. Pilot Sport 4S's, killer tire. Dayco 2022, so those are the original ones. Now you also have some damage down here, most likely from the accident, and it didn't get repaired. You have gashes right here, and then you have gashes down that whole rocker, all the way down. So you're gonna see all of that damage down that whole piece. And then you have a large gash right here, a gash there, just a couple flaws here and there. Looking at that fender, that looks good. Gloss black trim here looks nice. Like I said, on the A-pillar, it's been painted. You're gonna have little dimples. You can see that kind of throughout. You know, the damage on here. Looking at the door, that looks like original paint. Like I said, here you're gonna have the dimples and the overspray. And then when you look at the trim, Looks really faded. I believe they had a car cover on this, and it probably was outside, to be honest, and it looked like it marred the paint. All the plastic has that marring, and you're gonna see it on these sharper edges. And so it could use a really good paint correction to help bring that back to life. Like I said here, you have some very large dimples. You can see that, which is really unfortunate. Looking at this wheel, overall that looks good. Date code 2022. That looks good. Got the full carbon roof. These headlights look original. They're date coded 2022, but you do have a scratch right there. That looks good. And then you're gonna have some flake discoloration right here. May not show up in camera, but you can see it's kind of heavy pearl right there and not so much right there. Bumper is hanging off a little bit there. I'm not sure if something's supposed to be here or not. You do have that. You can see the paint right there, just barely touched it, just flaking off around those corners. And I believe the hood is original paint. A couple chips, some swirls from everyday washing. I don't see trash in the paint or any flaws like that, so I believe that's original. And this headlight is a date code of 2022, so I believe those are the original ones as well. A couple chips there. That looks good. Just a few chips on the hood. Looking at this wheel. Overall looks good. You do have a dark hue on that tire. Have a brown look. 2022 date code. This section looks good. No damage there. That edge is clean. That mirror looks good. A-pillar nice and clean. Check out that awesome roof. Full carbon. That looks beautiful. The side skirt looks good. You see here, like on the door handle, see all the hazing on that. I think a car cover was on here and just kind of rubbed that. You're also missing the cap that goes here. That door edge looks good. This quarter, once again, you have some rubbing and hazing in there. You can see it right there. All that black trim. All of that is something that rubbed out. I think it's outdoor car cover. That looks good. You have a deep gash right there. Overall, that wheel looks good. You got a deep gash right here. And once again, those edges, whatever that car cover did, it just kind of faded that area. So I think a good paint correction will help this car. You can even see it on the taillight. It doesn't have that shine anymore. You're gonna feel the texture. All of this was painted, so you're gonna have the orange peel. You're gonna see where it's flat. See the heavy orange peel, little dimples. Gloss black spoiler looks good. Overall, that looks good. A couple little marks. You can see this is bent up a little bit. It's not as clean as that, so that got damaged. Those look good though. You're gonna have the dimples just kind of peppered throughout. The trunk, they do have a lower carbon diffuser with the sticky tape ready to go. That way you could add that over this, it looks like, if you wanted. The rest that looks good. All that plastic looks nice. You are missing something here. The rest of that looks good. Those jams are clean. That looks good. Of course, you can see the dimples and the orange peel, but besides that, that looks good. And then, of course, this is power. That works perfect. Looking at the gap, looks nice. That one looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it's a non-smoker. Love the seats. They look really, really cool. All the carbon. Edge of that looks nice. You do have some indentions right here on that leather piece. Upper section looks incredible. All of that's nice. You do have a crease right here. The rest of that panel is nice. Looks really good. Here on this trim, you do have some scratches, typical wear from getting in and out. All of this looks good. Weather stripping is nice. Now the headliner was removed, I imagine, during the accident, and you can see it's falling down here. And you have some creases. You can see some creases in it. And I'll show you the other side. Some pretty good creases. So I'm not quite sure what happened there, but that is falling down. It doesn't want to tuck back in. That bolster looks good. You can see some scratches right here. That bolster looks nice. Upper section looks amazing. Now you do have a lot of wear on this console. You can see the leather separating. It's very dingy and discolored, unfortunately. The steering wheel, that looks good. Nice and clean. Super low miles. You still have plastic on that screen protector. The rest of this looks good. Here on this door panel, that upper section looks incredible. Buttons are nice and clean. You do have some dents in the leather here and some discoloration. The rest of that looks good. Lower side looks nice. Looks like you still have the plastic on this trim, which is super cool. Here on that floor mat, you have some gashes on the edge, but other than that, looks good. That bolster looks nice. The rest of that seat's in great condition. This armrest cover, though, is faded and has a lot of wear for the miles. You can see the leather is all separated, heavily discolored. Carbon looks incredible. Ambient lighting. Upper side of the dash here looks awesome. You still have plastic on that screen protector. The rest of that console looks good. You do have some wrinkles right here. So you have these heavy creases on the headliner. I imagine the liner was removed at some point. So you are going to have those flaws there. The rest of the seat looks nice. Nice and clean. Looking back here, the seats look good. Liner looks nice. And then, yep, right here you can see all of this is kind of falling down. It's not tucked in as good. So you can see in here. I imagine I can kind of push it up a little bit, but it's just falling back down. All of that looks good. See, these headlights are from early of 2022, so I believe those were not damaged in the wreck unless they found some 2022s. Same here, 2022, same number, so I believe that was it. So I think it was just the front bumper. You see they had to remove the fender. That looks good. The rest of that looks nice. Looks all stock. Underside of the hood looks good. All the hardware's nice and clean.